Okay, Cameron, are you ready?
See the screw head. The screw
Okay, let's go.
coming out.
Oh, there's Grandpa and Daddy.
There you go, unfortunately.
Two geniuses at work. All right, there's Grandma Cepek's beautiful house. Come on, Cameron. Let's go. All right, are you ready? Okay, what do you have to do now? You need to take action. Here we go. Push the button. Oh no! Oh no, Cameron!
That's the biggest part of the
Uh-oh. Oh. Red.
Wow. Garage doors work great.
Do you want to push it again, Cameron?
Push it, Cameron.
You want to push it again?
Your old mailbox has a U.S. postal thing.
Ours does. The new one does.
You're on TV.
am. I'm a movie star.
You are. So is Cameron. He's a movie star. Okay, Cameron, ready? You gonna do it again?
Screwdriver for this.
Here you go. Do it again.
Phillips said this is one of the
What are you trying to say?
No,
Tonight?
wait a minute. Sometimes the Phillips works in there.
Okay.
It's too loose.
Come on.
You're gonna strip it out and then you're stuck with it.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay, push it again.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I'll watch the little red pull down go. Push it.
Let's try this.
Ooh, there it goes. Look at that.
Can I try it? I didn't see that screwdriver.
No, you're right. I don't know what kind of screwdriver we use.
We got this one thing I said.
That's not gonna work. It's different pliers. You going? Yeah, let's take it out here just in case.
I'll bet. I'll bet. I'll be good. Hold it so it doesn't move. No, it's got two more screws in it. So it's not good.
All right, get the screw. Got this one.
Yes. Tonight.
And I think we ought to take probably now the mailbox
Okay.
off.
All right.
do
You
you
want to do it
think?
again? Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
do it
trying to do
again.
The way they describe it.
Push the
Absolutely.
button.
We're going to follow directions to the
Not
T.
broken.
As a matter of fact, let's leave this right here.
Push the button,
for
buddy.
time being, okay?
Well, I think you can install this on the new door before you put it on.
All right, okay. Maybe it's a good idea. Just a minute. I'm trying to.
He's a
get
happy
some
boy.
wrenches That'll fit that.
Jennifer, I can't see.
Just a minute. Let me see if I got the right wrench to take the box off now. Excuse me, Jenny. There we go. Wow.
Wow. Good job, Cameron.